In the heart of Myrtle Beach, where the sun-kissed shores meet the untamed Atlantic, lies a hidden danger lurking just beyond the horizon.
Welcome to our latest video as we delve into the gripping tale of the 2024 hurricane season along the stunning South Carolina coast.
As we gear up for the 2024 hurricane season, it's crucial to be prepared for the unpredictable wrath of Mother Nature. Hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th, 2024.
NOAA and the National Weather Service both predict that 2024 will be exceptionally active with more hurricanes and tropical storms than prior years.
Their reasoning is that first, the water in the Gulf of Mexico is warmer, and second, the current activity near the coast of Africa has been increasing.
With several major hurricanes expected to make landfall along the SC coast this year, it's imperative that you stay informed and heed evacuation warnings when issued. Today, we're going to give you the basics that you need to know to be prepared. Wait, before we get into that, have you hit that subscribe button yet? If not, make sure to do so and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our weekly videos.
First, do you know the difference between a watch and a warning? A hurricane watch is issued when a hurricane is possible. This is the time to start preparing your home, putting together an emergency supply kit, and plan for a possible evacuation.
A hurricane warning, however, means that one is actually expected to hit, and now is the time to act. Make sure that you're in a safe place and, if necessary or required, execute your evacuation plan.
Now, the question is, do you have an evacuation plan? If not, the first step is to know your zone. Here in Horry County, there are evacuation zones A, B, and C. We are putting a link to the Horry County Know Your Zone website in the description below.
For some hurricanes, the county will not even issue an evacuation order at all. And sometimes it's only for certain zones, and then sometimes it will be for all 3 evacuation zones. And the county asks that those not located in an evacuation zone stay put and allow those that are being evacuated to get out. If you're in a zone that is evacuated and you don't want to leave, that's your choice. But if something happens to you, there will be no emergency services coming to help.
The next step to having an evacuation plan is deciding where you will go. Whether it's a friend or relative's home, a hotel, or a designated shelter, you need to figure this out before it actually is time to evacuate. Also, many of the hotels in the surrounding areas inland get booked up, and so we suggest you take this into consideration when you are deciding what you would do.
After you have your evacuation plan in place, you need to stock up on essentials and get your survival kit ready. Make sure you have a well-stocked emergency kit with essential items such as water, non-perishable food, medications, a flashlight, batteries, and important documents. We're going to put a link in the description below to this great checklist that FEMA provides, and this kit will be invaluable if you need to evacuate or if services are disrupted.
Next, it's important to secure your home against potential hurricane damage. Consider installing hurricane shutters or plywood boards to protect windows and doors. Trim trees and shrubs to reduce the risk of branches becoming projectiles in high winds. Reinforce garage doors and any other vulnerable areas to minimize damage. Bring patio chairs, grills, and other items into a sheltered area.
Finally, be sure to stay informed before, during, and after a hurricane by monitoring local news and weather reports. Follow updates from reliable sources like our local news channels, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, and the South Carolina Emergency Management Division. They will all provide essential information about the storm's path, evacuation orders, and safety precautions. We're going to put a link to all of these for you in the description as well.
Being prepared for the 2024 hurricane season in South Carolina is all about planning ahead. staying informed, and taking action when necessary. By following these steps and staying vigilant, you can minimize the impact of hurricanes on your life and keep yourself and your loved ones safe.
Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. Before you go, remember to call the Hereda team for all of your real estate needs.
Hereda team to help you buy a house. Hereda team also helps you sell your house.